R Programming for Beginners, Descriptive Analysis. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Open R software and enter data. For running descriptive analysis, you have to write 8 commands to get mean of x, median of x, minimum value of x, maximum value of x, range of x, standard deviation of x, and variance of x. Results of descriptive analysis in R software. Here you can see after entering respective commands, we get mean of x is 48.625. Median of x is 45.65. Minimum value of x is 32.1. Maximum value of x is 67.3. Range of x is 35.2. Standard deviation of x is 11.504. And variance of x is 132.342. It is important tip when you write any command of statistical measures, then press enter. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.